I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new Selenium project in Eclipse. First, ensure you have the Java Development Kit, version 8 or newer, installed on your computer. Next, download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers and extract it to a convenient location. Finally, open Eclipse and navigate to the File menu to create a brand new Java project. This foundational setup is crucial for our automation journey. Now, let's integrate Selenium into your project. Head to the official Selenium website and download the WebDriver client for Java. Once downloaded, right-click your Java project in Eclipse, select Properties, and then Java Build Path. Under the Libraries tab, click Add External JARs and include all the Selenium JAR files you just downloaded, including those found within the libs folder. With Selenium libraries in place, it's time to write some code. Create a new package, perhaps named COM. Example, tests, inside your project's SRC folder. Within this package, create a new Java class and call it first Selenium test. Remember to include a main method for execution. You will also need to import essential Selenium WebDriver classes, such as WebDriver and Chrome Driver, to begin your automation script. Let's write a simple test. First, set the system property for your Chrome Driver executable specifying its path. Then instantiate a new Chrome Driver object. This will launch a browser window. Use driver, get, to navigate to your desired website. After performing your test actions, ensure you close the browser gracefully using driver, quit. This completes a basic, functional Selenium test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.